Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video stabilization test with the OnePlus 13. "4K 60 frames per second. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds, and yes, the stabilization. Right now, just a steady walk. I'm gonna do a little jogging here. Go a little bit faster. Got my Columbia winter coat on because the windbreaker isn't doing it, man. Too chilly out here today. Whoever carved these, man, did a great job. Really, really good job. All right, a little bit of a speed walk. Let me know if you have the OnePlus 13. Let me know your experience that you've had so far. For those of you waiting, in my opinion, I think you're really going to dig this flagship smartphone from OnePlus. A little 360. Let's do that the other way, just a little bit slower. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to your feedback. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless. Peace. I'm out.